so most of the quiz I've done because I've literally had nothing to do the entire day. So my computer is acting stupid, so anything that involved SPSS could not be done. I'm sorry. I really did try.
Okay.
I don't know what's wrong with my computer. I literally just bought this thing last year, but that's like another story. But most of the group 9 meeting quiz, I did. Actually, I did everything but one question because I didn't know how to do it. So that's why I didn't do it.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't attempt lesson 9 yet just because I don't want to learn new material before the exam.
It's actually really easy.
Okay.
I'm telling you, it's not even hard.
Okay, good.
It's like super easy. I think 3 questions involved actually doing math.
Mm-hmm.
So you're good. I promise. So, shall we start lesson 8?
Okay.
So, for question number 2, I put a randomly selected brand of toothpaste at a convenience store.
Okay. That's what I think as well.
Yeah, I agree.
And for 3, I put 100 parameter and 112 statistic.
That's what I put too.
Okay.
For number 4, I put a simple random sample.
I put a stratified sample.
That you are probably right. These ones I don't really get how to do, so they may be all wrong.
Okay.
What did you get for question number 5? Because that one I got was a stratified random sample.
That's a cluster sample.
See, I'm so irritated because I put cluster at first and then I changed it. And then I put the next one as a cluster. No, I didn't. I put the next one as a systematic. I lied.
So when they say they choose a particular district, and then they randomly select teachers. So there's like the groups are considered clusters, and when they go and randomly choose out of each one, then you're able to know that it's a cluster, because if it's stratified, it's pretty much the same way, but instead of just randomly selecting people in the group, they'll pick the entire group and test the entire group.
Okay, that makes sense. Because, a stratified and a systematic are kind of the same.
Mm-hmm.
Except for, one I think is, of a whole, and the other one is of, an already separated population.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I got a cluster for 5, 2, and then 6 I got a simple. I don't know if I did that one right, though.
Yeah.
So,
I think it's an SRS as well.
So 6 is an SRS?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. And then for 7, I said it was a cluster, and I'm proven to be wrong. So what do you guys think?
I thought it was a stratified random.
What do you think, Gabriel?
I skipped this one, but I'm reading it now.
So somebody's going to have to submit their quiz because, like an idiot, I accidentally submitted my first one while I was doing it, and so I only have this.
Yeah, because I submitted mine as well, and this one's right.
Okay.
I can submit mine first just to make sure, because I still have 2 attempts.
Okay, good. Thanks, Gabriel. Because I was a bonehead today.
And I get confused with stratified and systematic random samples.
Me too.
I think it's stratified for 7.
Yeah, it's a stratified random. So now we're going to have to use SPSS. And
I can't help you here. I'm sorry. One day my will.
I can
work.
try and help you, but since I'm recording everything, it'll
Yeah.
take a while, just because it takes a long time to open SPSS up on
No, you're
backup.
good.
That's the problem. I have the same problem because I have a Mac, so every time I like open up the software, it takes me like out of where I'm at and into the like Windows software.
Exactly.
Okay.
I'm like, what is wrong with my MacBook? It's really struggling this year.
Yeah, I don't know. I have a really tough time using that software. I did last time too.
Oh, Gabriel, I meant to ask, is your son okay?
Oh yeah, he's fine. All weekend he was sick too. He had a temperature between 103 and 104 and going up, but it's fine.
Oh dear. Well, glad to hear he's doing okay.
Mm-hmm.
Are you in Rexburg or are you in?
No, I'm in Boise.
Oh dear.
San Diego. Yeah.
Oh, Idaho.
Yeah. Idaho. Where are you at?
I'm in California, so I just left Idaho actually like a month ago.
I just left California 2 months ago.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you from San Diego?
Yeah.
Dude, I am from Southern California also, but I live in Lancaster, so 45 minutes north of LA.
Yeah, I know where that's at. I lived in California City for a very short time, and it was.
Oh dear. So you really know where we are. I would say California City looks like the place where they shot the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Because there's nothing there.
It's terrible. And it's just like straight gangs in the middle of a little tiny piece of desert now.
I know. I told my mom, I was like, this place is sketchy. I was like, can I go home?
So I can tell you the answers that I got, because SPS is like not wanting to open.
I'm so sorry, Cody. Don't feel like we're using you for the answers. I promise we do our own work when our SPSS works. Well, I can't speak for nobody else, but I promise I do my own work.
So on number 8, we just have to calculate the mean amount that was spent, and so that's really easy because you just go to explore descriptive statistics, right? And then you go over, I'm trying to think of the other name. And then you just
No, my SPSS won't work at all.
Oh,
I think
wow.
I download it on my computer because it literally will not open for me. And then when I try to open it, it'll slow like my computer down, and then it won't even come up, and then it won't close down, and then my computer literally runs like a snail. So I have to call these people, and I have to tell them they have to fix it, or they're gonna owe me a lot of money because my computer is not cheap.
Yeah, same. And I even upgraded my the inside of my laptop to run everything, and it will run it. It just takes a long time when I'm running a lot of other things.
Dude, that really sucks.
So number 8, I got 4.77.
And since you already submitted your quiz, I believe this is correct.
And number 9, I got 1.911.
1.911?
Yep.
Okay. And I will, after we finish both of the quizzes, I'll upload the answers into the chat for Belia so that she can get them.
Okay.
And then, so I'm going to assume question 10 is true.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
This one, I forgot how to calculate. I forgot what X bar is.
I hate doing these ones. These ones, for me, take forever.
Like, X, which is 37.91.
Uh-huh.
But I don't know what X bar is. And so I'm like, I feel bad.
Mm-hmm. So these ones, I don't know, it's hard to explain. So in the book, there's the equation on how to get X bar, and so you have to do that for the second part, and then yeah.
Once you get X bar, you just subtract it from X and then square it.
Yeah. So for 11, I got negative 0.165.
Negative 0.165.
Yeah. And then on 12, I got 0.68.
8.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to assume a 0 goes after that because it said 3 decimal places.
I just put 0.68. It didn't mark it wrong. So.
It said it marked it wrong?
No, it didn't.
Oh, okay, never mind then. It says, what quantity is equal to the sum of the numbers in the square deviations column? I said the standard deviation is, because it's not the mean, is it? No, it's the variance. I lied.
It's none of these. None of those are correct.
Really? What is it then?
I think it is. Yeah, I don't know. I put none of these because I didn't think it was any of them.
Oh, okay. Never mind then.
So 14. So what is the standard deviation of the temperature? So you'll use the standard deviation
over the square root of n, right?
Yeah. So it's 0.715.
So 0.715.
Mm-hmm.
And then under certain conditions, the standard deviation can be negative. I said false.
Yeah, false.
Okay. And then this one for question 16, I said extradural.
Yeah.
And then for question 17, I said 8.
Yep.
And then for question 18, I said 50.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
Okay. See, we are on the same page. This one is really long, though.
Yeah.
Longest quiz ever.
So for 19, I got 2.055.
2.055?
Uh-huh. And then 20, I got 0.233.
0.233?
Yep.
So it would be between 2.055 and 2.520 parts per million?
No, I put it's between 1.823 and 2.288.
How'd you get that?
Because let's see. Because it says the standard two standard deviations away.
Oh. Okay, that makes sense. I didn't read the question clear.
And then on 22, I got 0.5.
0.5?
Mm-hmm.
So, how do you calculate the probability?
I had to go to the lab and get help. So, I'm still not very good on that.
Lucky duck you, because I don't know how to get help from the help desk. I mean, from tutors when it's online.
Yeah. I'm trouble with that too.
Yeah.
We have a test tomorrow, so I'm trying.
Yeah.
I know, I'm trying to learn how to do probability within the next day. I'm like, hopefully,
Yeah.
I know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
So, you got...
Is that probability, though? It's like you subtract the value and divide it by the standard deviation or something?
Mm-hmm. This one says my is 500, but it is rare for students with scores less than. So what always gets me is when it talks about like the last part of the question, where BYU is 500, but it is rare for students with scores less than 600 to be admitted. I always get confused at what to do there.
Me too.
I actually really think this is a bad idea for me to retake this class.
I should have just been happy with the grade I got.
Did you pass?
Yeah, I did pass, but
Okay.
I just really wanted to improve my GPA for the master's program, but now I'm just like, I really don't care.
Yeah.
It's too late to turn back now.
Yeah. Yeah. So for 22, I got 0.5, and then 23, I got 0.684, and 24, I got 0.316. 25 is 388. 26 is 697. 27 is 461. And 28 is 624. So you guys know how to do, like, consider a simple random sample of n. You know how to do like the square root of n, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So for 29, I got 542.3. And for 30, I got 31.123.
You said 31?
So 30 is 31.123. It was really weird.
And 29 is 542.3.
Yeah.
Okay, and 31?
So it's 0.032.
So 0.032.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, hopefully this is all right because I'm at the point to where I don't care about this quiz anymore.
Mm-hmm. It should be.
Yeah, that's right. So did you guys want to move on to quiz 9 or no?
We can, or we could try and see if Noah wants to join in.
So the only problem I have is that Tuesday, Thursday I work.
Uh-huh.
So Friday I could do it.
Okay.
Saturday I could do it, but any days before then I cannot do it.
Okay.
School kind of changes
Mm-hmm.
because it's like my first week at working
Mm-hmm.
at my new job, and so they pretty much just tell me when to show up.
Okay.
So we can postpone it until then, but
So did you say you could do Friday?
I can do Friday, but it depends on the time. What time were you thinking?
Is 6 too late?
6 p.m.?
Yeah.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Because if anything, like if I'm out, I can just meet with you guys over the phone because I like literally did the whole quiz except for one question,
Mm-hmm.
and that was 21.
Okay.
So literally, I can just meet with you guys over the do the hangout over the phone with you guys.
Okay.
Okay.
So when you post that for Mila, will you tell her on Friday at 6 p.m. we're gonna do lesson 9?
Yes.
Just yeah. Perfect.
I missed question 3. I think I got something different than you guys. I don't know.
What did you put on 3?
100 and 112.
So did you put 100 parameter and 112 statistic?
Oh no, I put 112 parameter. That's why.
Okay.
Okay. So that doesn't let me fix it. Alright, cool.
Awesome.
Well, everyone's gonna be studying, I guess, for tomorrow.
Well, Well, the test
Everyone's
goes
taking the test
on Friday, Thursday, doesn't it?
tomorrow.
No, it closes on the 13th.
Well, that's better.
yeah,
I have
I'll
another
look.
class on tomorrow too.
Yeah, it ends on the 13th.
Oh, good.
So,
Yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys on Friday.
okay. Oh, and like, how do we do the exam? We don't have to have a proctor, do we?
No, I think it's like an on your honor type of thing.
Okay.
Yeah, it is. Academic honor
We
code.
do, like the testing
Yeah.
center. When I used to work at the testing center, like legitimately, we had no one come in for a Math 221B test, like
Okay.
ever. It was just mainly Bio 264. We got people in there for.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds good. Well, good luck.
Will you gentlemen have a great evening? See you on Saturday.
Well,
Okay, and I'll post this under the thing too.
Okay, for sure.
All right.
so,
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
you guys.